Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you this really unique and fun centerpiece that's great for inside events or something that has a little bit more ambiance, maybe even bringing it outside. It could go for different kinds of themes. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we're using some ivory lace. Now with this lace, as you can see, the width is pretty thick and that's why we used it. It's very light, however, a little goes a long way. And as you can see, we cut only 4 pieces out to cover this whole thing. Of course, you want to measure it all the way around. And also there are different sizes of these kind of square glass vases. However, we're using a 14-inch to 18-inch ones. So we're just taking some glue dots here so they're nice and transparent and then securing them onto the vase. You can use hot glue. I would just use little dollops of glue on the edges there, and then you can obviously reuse the vase later on for other events, because you know we love to do that. We definitely like to reuse things so we can keep down costs for all the events. Here we're using our 1.5-inch pink satin ribbon, and of course you can make any kind of ribbon work with this. However, this was really nice because we wanted to create a design much like the back of a wedding dress and or how they tie the ribbon around the actual bouquet that the bride uses. But as you can see, you're basically just crossing them over, twisting it, and then bringing it all the way back. So as you can see, we're using a lot of ribbon here, or more like it's a very, very long piece of ribbon. And the reason why you want to use a long piece of ribbon is because it doesn't look as nice if you have to keep cutting more ribbon, because you have to secure it somehow and it just doesn't have that flow together. Just go ahead and kind of measure it out before you actually do this design. That way you're using only one piece of ribbon. So at the very top, we did go ahead and use the hot glue just to keep it into place. And as you can see, this does show kind of like the back of a really nice dress, and to signify kind of like the design of a beautiful kind of couture wedding dress here. Here we're just upping that ante and using our faux pearl gem stickers in the color of ivory. We're just going kind of halfway down, and that way it looks like the back of a dress. I really like this. You can get so creative. So that is how you are going to create that look for the actual vase. Moving on to the actual LED centerpiece branches. Now we carry these, but we also carry so many other different kind of branches. These don't come with batteries. You just have to put a couple in there and it looks so fabulous in a venue that has a little bit more ambiance. There's a lot more shadows, maybe at night, and it's darker. This will look so beautiful in the dark. What we wanted to do is we wanted to add a little bit extra here, especially with spring coming up or any kind of spring weddings. This looks like a newly budded kind of branch. So we made a kind of a mini version for this if you want to have a little bit more action and depth to your table, and you can put some flowers in here. So you can have this at the cake table, or you can have this at the actual table that guests are sitting at. Did the same kind of thing, just added little buds inside. So there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure that you like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event and party ideas. Until next time, stay creative.